Alright, boys and girls. That's before. That's what our valve covers look like before. And there we are after. A little clean, a little paint. Bada boom, bada bing. So we're going to paint that baby and get these back on today.
Whoa.
Whoa. It's getting late. We're tired. Anyway. Finally got the right fuel filter after 3 different attempts. But we got it. So I got to hook that up, which that's all right there. Easy peasy. Okay. Got new belts. Where you going, Burnsy? All right. So Mr. Burns here. Mr. Burns over here. He's going to pull these belts, which have been squeaking, slipping, everything else. You know, Luciano told me, hey, adjust the belts. I go, you know what? It's actually cheaper to put fresh ones on and adjust them than try to fight the old ones that are half cracked and rotted. So that's going down. I got the valve cover gaskets staged up. The valve covers are painted. We have the hardware in the washer, right?
Yep.
All right, we're going to shoot those quick. Put all that stuff together. Then everything under the hood will be done. Yeah, indeed. Whatever Burnsy says. Anywho. All right, Burnsy's changing belts. Okay, we get it. Jesus. As he flips my nipple. Anyway, sometimes.
Oh my yes.
So we're gonna get that together, put the plug wires back.
He says he would love a nice, cute Latino twink.
No, that's Scotty.
You just said it the other day.
No.
No, don't lie. Don't lie to other people.
No, busty goth chick, not Latino twink.
See?
You got who wants what confused.
No.
It's okay. Whatever.
No.
If something shows up and I don't like it, I'll send it to Scotty. It's fine. Anyway.
Dang, see? Told you guys.
Yeah. Little man on totem pole. Anyway. Carry on, Burnsy. Good job.
He says $20 is $20, guys. Just letting you know.
So, this belt, this one's not bad. As bad. This one cracked out. Anyway, so we're going to do that. Loosen that up.
It's loose.
All right.
That one's loose. That one's loose.
Okay, well, pull the belt off.
You're the one who keeps on touching it.
Oh, because you need to loosen up the back so to pivot, homie.
What back?
Right there.
Move your finger.
So pivot, right there. Half. I said half. You don't believe me? I brought Mustangs.
Well, you said you got like 7 inches, but in reality...
I never said that.
The wife says you got like 2.2.
5 3/4, 6 when I'm excited.
Okay.
Anyway, belt's coming off. New belt's going off. Mr. Burns, you look frustrated.
Just a little bit. So
Is it automotive or sexual?
Automotive.
Mine's sexual.
Fuck, I don't know.
Have you gotten any recently?
Well,
Your old lady been doing her job?
She's been wanting some, but...
Oh, you're holding out. Look at you.
No, I'm just not old and just kind of...
Yeah, I would do that.
No, I don't. I want it. Just, dude, sometimes she wants it when I'm fucking exhausted, man.
Oh, that's me every night. I've been molested at home.
Anyways.
So loosening this up is a pain in the dick. Everything's loose. It does not want to come up. That might be why it slips, because some people might have gotten lazy and not worked hard enough to tighten your belts. Which we see this a lot.
Like
lazy people all the time.
See.
I mean, we're not lazy. We just
it's
to work
not
10 hours and have beverages.
It's not even bottom out to be loosened.
To be fair, have either one of us have ever bottomed out? Oh, look, you got it off. No.
All the time.
Match game. Play match game. Okay, now get the other belt off. The 405 would be the one you want, because it's shorter.
I don't think that's it.
What one's that?
I think you're a little sloppy.
I think it's sloppy with mine. Never mind.
Yeah, you better stop.
Oh, here goes the Vato Zone.
I think you said what? I'm
like,
what?
Dude, is this my buddy Alan's brother? Hey, Burnsy, what's up?
You got the bottom one. And we're going to test it with...
Alternator belt. That one that was cracked. How about the one on my neck?
That's an old one.
Which one's the smaller? There's another belt over there, but...
Then we got one wrong belt.
Well, we ordered it for this, so let's try it and see. Because maybe whoever did this car put the wrong belts on it. Is this new or old? That's old. And of course, it's a Napa belt, so their numbers are completely wrong.
Okay.
Oh, hey, look, that's a winner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Put that on. I want some chicken.
I think this was set up for a dual water pump.
No, it's set up right.
No.
Originally?
I think they sent you one for like.
Well, let's check it and see, because we've had to do that before. And it's not like the parts store doesn't love us.
Which one?
All of them.
Ish.
Dude, it's crazy. Alan's brother is a delivery driver for the Hub store. And he saw our name, and he's like, oh, I'm going to handle this directly. That's my boy! I got to take that out.
So that's the one they sent for...
That's big and floppy, like...
That's
I was going to say something, but...
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do
All
it.
right, do the alternator. And then let's measure the little one, or take the number and cross it, and we'll get it here.
Okay.
All right, nobody sends us the right stuff. Make sure you put that right in the right sleeve. Is it the one I threw in the trash?
Probably.
Okay, we'll get it. Thank you, sir.
Mike. Yes, sir.
Got the old fuel line for the carb done. I did the fuel filter, as we know.
You tighten that belt up.
Yep, you can tighten up this belt. I gotta spec out this one because the one they sent us is wrong. Shock. We're gonna start getting valve covers on here in a little bit.
Hell yeah.
And we'll be close. This will be
yeah.
done. Be fantastic.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.